guys, the AIRSOFTEK here. So today I was playing with my guns and doing some upgrades and all that, and so I thought about doing a video of how to put a handguard. So that is a ZCI polymer keymod handguard 10 inches, and as you can see it has 3 screws on the bottom end in there, so that's how it's tight. And it comes with that barrel nut and that guy right there. You might check my unboxing video that I did to that guy if you want to check out, but you know, I just want to do a quick video and show you how to put a handguard of that type. So first of all, I just need to put a barrel screw like that, and you tighten it the more you can. Then you can have some AR-15 wrench or things like that to help them to tighten it, but that's a plastic receiver, so you know, just by hand that's enough, and that's tight. So on this tight, you check if you have any movement. No movement, that's good. Then you just have to put one go on it, and you align those little tabs on the receiver like that, and everything should be pretty much straight, and it is. Yeah, so everything is straight. So now you should have to put 3 washers in there. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Sometimes I don't have a lot of light in there, so then we grab those screws. And you start securing those screws in those washers. So don't tighten them all the way, just put it in there to just step it. Just get, you know, like secure in there. So as you can see, as you can see, everything is secure in there, and that's already tight in there. You can tighten it way more, but for now I want to put my silencer first, because you know I'm gonna use a silencer, and you have that guy right there that you can put. So I might try to put it in there. If you have like how it's called, the gas tube, you can put it in there, and so you know that help securing your gas tube if you got one. I don't got one in that gun, so I don't really mind. You just put it in there, and you try to use that keymod, those keymod rails and all that to help putting it back. Or you know, you can just go like that, and you know, that's pretty tight. I might should have put that in first, but now we are committed, so yeah, that's tight, bro. I'll just try to slide it. Because if it's bent, you know, it kind of step there. Let's just go. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna put it all the way back, but yeah, why not? Put it all the way back until it stops. So right there, and yeah. So as you can see, I don't really have access to that grub screw, but I'm just gonna push it a little bit forward like that. Now I have full access to that grub screw. You just need to find the right key for that. And that's, okay. So, let's try. Okay. A little bit bigger. That's pretty good. Is it straight? It's not 100% straight. Yeah, it's pretty good. Just have to tighten it. Like that. So that's secure in place. And now I'm gonna put my sensor. I'm just gonna look how that side is counterclockwise, because that's a clockwise counterclockwise silencer. So that's counterclockwise. And as you can see, the end unscrew by themselves. So I'm just gonna put a data flag tight on each side to secure it. I only use blue Loctite, because you might want to open it and remove it, or you never know. So you should just put blue Loctite on there. Just like that. No, that's enough. Just put that on there. Screw it back. Do the same thing on the other side. Again, just a drop. Screw it back. Right. That's good. Just gonna clean the end before putting it back. That's good to go. So now I can put my sensor. Yeah, which side was counterclockwise again? So that guy is counterclockwise. So now I just have to put my sensor in there and screw it. as you can see, you know. If I screw it, that's good. But if I try to turn it that way, it come out. So that's why, you know, you want to sorry for that. That's why you want to put Loctite on there. So I just wanted to show you why I put Loctite in there, because otherwise, you know, you unscrew it and that port came out. So I'm just gonna let the Loctite you know, do what it does, and I'm gonna be able to put it. So that was pretty much it for the handguard. You know, the silencer is gonna be inside like that. I wanted to give it, you know, a little bit like a honey badger look. Those fire pig too are really good, you know. You can put that in there, and if you want more, you know, like a loud setup, that's better. But I want a more silent setup, so I go with that. But I think that with the fire pig like that, that's pretty cool too. But yeah. So that was pretty much it for the video on how to put the handguard. I'm just gonna let it dry, and yeah, it's already started to, you know, in like 5 minutes I'm gonna be good. And then you just have to put it back in your gun, and you know, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoy. You know, like I said, those type of handguard are super easy to put in, so you know, that was not really a challenge or anything, you know. Those are super easy to put in. I'm just gonna have to tighten it a little bit more after my silencer is in there, and that's gonna be pretty much it. That seam is gonna look way nicer. I have a nice red dot for it. Oh yeah. And I run it with a 285mm, so you know the 7.5 inch is not long enough, so it's gonna be, you know, barrel length up to 3/4 of the silencer. Oh, that's pretty cool. So that was my take on how to put handguard. Like I said, some of them you have to screw them. You know, like another one right there. That's the same thing. You know, those one with the screws on the bottom like that. They are way easier to put in. You know, because it's just when you tighten them, you just apply pressure on it, and you know, it hold around that nut right there. And you have another type of rail that you have to screw them, and then you have I'm just gonna remove it. Then you have some screw holes in there, and you have to align it, you know, with those guys and with your top rail and all that. So you have to use sometimes shims and, you know, tighten it, or a little bit less, a little bit, and you know, but yeah, those type are super easy to work with. You know, screw that with your around your other barrel, put your handguard on it, you screw those screws, and that's it, done. And you have those guys to make sure, you know, they don't spin around when you screw it. Those are the best type of handguard. I mean, they are way easier to work with, so you know, it is what it is. So now I can put my silencer, that's tight enough. you can see it. And that's it. I'm gonna put it back in my lower receiver just to show you what it looks like. But I really like that looks. You know, it's really, you know, like special forces or I don't know, man, tactical, you know. And that silencer head, you know, like you can see, it's super tight. Those screws are not tight, you know, and it's already, you know, like super solid. Of course, it moves a little bit because I don't have my retention pin on there, my front body pin, but yeah. So that looks cool. So, you know, if you don't like the look of your gun, you can just do that. You know that the handguard was like 15-20 bucks, something like that. Not the big deal. Silencer same, and the outer barrel around the same, maybe 25. So you know, you have a complete different looking gun, and you know, it doesn't cost that much. So if you don't like the way your M4, your AR, whatever looks, even your AK or G36, you can have some parts, but M4 are way easier to work with and to do those mods to it. That's why they are. That's probably why they are so popular. I don't know. But yeah, so that's super lightweight too. So if you are not, you know, strong dude, or even if you are strong, you know, that's really, you know, a nice thing to have a lightweight gun that performs well. With that setup, you know, I'm gonna use SHS 285 and light tack hut and flat up. I'm gonna outperform almost everybody, so that's gonna be great. So, like I said, if you don't like the way your gun looks, just go for it. You know, there's tons of how to and all that stuff. You know, and I might do a little bit more of those guys because sometimes I think people are afraid to do those things, but you know, in reality, you know, when you start to open a gearbox, you know, that's where, you know, shit can go bad and all that. But this, you know, you got the outer barrel and all that, and you try at least, you know, at worst, if it doesn't fit, you know, just put it back what you have, and that's pretty much it, you know. So go for it. Make sure your gun looks cool and the way you want it to look, and that's pretty much it. So that was the AIRSOFTEK, guys. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, you know, and all that stuff. You know, play with your guns, have fun. That's the greatest sports ever. You know, that was pretty much it. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.